Hey y'all, and welcome back to Trade with Jazz. In today's video, I'm going to be going over my technical analysis of gold. So since I've been getting back into Forex and I'm currently involved in a 30-day Forex challenge in my Discord group, I have been looking at all the Forex charts that I have once abandoned, and gold is one of them. Gold was actually my first love. I sat in my room October 2020 and flipped $50 to $800 in like 3 or 4 days, just back and forth, back and forth, back and forth when it was in a consolidation period. Since it being in a consolidation period back in 2020 for that short amount of time in October, we have been in a huge bull market, gold, and gold has just taken off. I was so surprised when I went back and looked at the chart. Of course, I've seen it over time, over the years, but I haven't been keeping up with it and looking at it on a daily or monthly basis. And I was surprised to see that it has not only broken all-time highs, but it has just been flying. I mean, it's a rocket ship over there. So I was really interested in figuring out how can I do an analysis for this so that I can kind of gauge a better way of trading gold, or a good time to get in, really. Because me seeing how bullish gold was, my first thoughts is thinking, when can I buy the dip? Because it looks like it's not slowing down anytime soon, but I do not like to buy all-time highs. I like to buy the dip. I am a contrarian trader. When everyone is selling, I am buying. When everyone is buying, I am selling. So you can trade gold with Forex or with futures. Now I want to introduce you to the sponsor of today's video, Defcofx. Defcofx is a low spreads, zero commission, cost-effective way to trade Forex, cryptos, commodities, futures, indices, and equities. Not only do they have super tight spreads, but they also have super high leverage. Y'all, this is the highest leverage that I have personally seen. They have a 1 to 2,000 leverage. Now, if you are trying to flip some money fast and you know what you are doing, this can help you, tremendously get to the goal that you're trying to get to quickly. Defcofx also has 24-hour support 5 days a week. You can trade with Defcofx as your broker on the MetaTrader 5 platform. So I know a lot of y'all love MetaTrader 5. On their website, they are also very transparent about how you deposit funds and how you withdraw your funds. The minimum deposit required to start trading with Defcofx as your broker is only $50. In order to sign up with them as your broker, you will need to verify your identity, and for verification purposes, they have what documents you need to verify. The verification process takes 5 minutes, and they cover all of your funding fees. So if you are looking for a new way to trade gold or any other Forex or future commodity, then check out Defcofx as your trading broker. It was actually easier for me to look at and count how many red days we've had since March 2024. So what I did was I looked at all the red days since March 2024. That's when we broke out of all-time highs, and I've really just been flying even more. And I found out that there have been 53 red days on gold, and some of them were just little teeny weeny dojis, right? Not significant red days at all. There was only 1 or 2 candles that were like big juicy red candles. So boom, 53 of the days since March 2024 have been red days. When I break that down into how many of those red days were Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays, this is what I found. Out of those 53 red days, 9 red days were Mondays, 12 red days were Tuesdays, 13 red days happened on a Wednesday, 10 of those red days happened on a Thursday, and 9 red days were Friday. So what does that say? Well, Monday and Friday were tied for 9, and they were also the lowest. So let's just X that out. Now that leaves us with Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. 10 of those days were Thursdays. So that's another low one. I'm gonna scratch that out. There were 12 red days that happened on a Tuesday and 13 red days that happened on a Wednesday. Now those two are so close. I feel like I just wanna go ahead and say I am gonna look for a pullback on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. And I found that on a lot of the weeks this year, both Tuesdays and Wednesdays were a red day. So like that was the pullback time period from Tuesday to Wednesday. And so if you are looking to get in to gold at a good price and you don't want to buy the highs, look for a pullback that happens on Tuesdays or Wednesdays. That is what the findings are telling me to do. And then, of course, if you actively trade gold on Forex or on futures, you can look to sell those red days as well. But for me, I'm not as acquainted with gold as I once was, so I don't feel comfortable putting sells on gold. So I'm just gonna be looking for those bottom opportunities. So Tuesday and Wednesdays, I'll open the chart, see if we pull back to a level for me to get in. And that's how I plan on trading gold from now on, because I wanna hold gold for a longer term, since we are clearly extremely bullish and have no plans of stopping anytime soon. I'm assuming unless something catastrophic happens. So that is how I'm going to be trading gold with what I have found. Let me know if that is interesting to y'all. How do y'all trade gold? What have y'all noticed as well? If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. It does help out the channel, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.